All right. Today let's look at big time numbers, Morari big time numbers. So step one, we have three steps to writing our numbers accurately, especially the very big ones. And the rationale here is that if you get a learner or child to master very large numbers, that here we'll call big time numbers. If you get a child to master very large numbers, then you are not putting a limit to their imagination. So focus. That's very, very important. If a child can go from zero to thousands to millions to billions to trillions to quadrillions to quintillions, then a child will know no bounds. They will start expecting from a very young age that they can be whoever they want to be. They can think, out of bounds. They can go out of the box, and the rest will be history. So again, let's be back. Big time number. Here is Mr. Morari. Now, step one, you gotta read and write all 1 to 3 digit numbers in groups of threes. So basically, we are saying that group your numbers in threes, and we'll go like this. So instead of just one, it will be 001. And instead of just zero, it will be 000. Instead of just six, it will be 006. Instead of 10, it will be 010. Instead of 11, it will be 011. Instead of 219, it will be 019. Instead of 23, it will be 023. Instead of 45, it will be 045. Instead of 60, it will be 060. Instead of 77, it will be 077. Instead of 86, it will be 086. Instead of 92, it will be 092. Instead of 99, it will be 099. And then now we have three-digit number. The least amongst them is 100. And then 101, 107, 111, 178, 234, 333, 567, 606, 777, 890, 959, 999. Okay. So do you master your three-digit numbers? Okay, and any 1 or 2 digit number, write them as three-digit numbers. All right, because that is very important. That is a secret, number one secret to writing or reading or saying, or get a drill, big time numbers. Okay, now we have this number. Yeah, what are the digits from left to right? 230040. But this is one number. You can't read them separately like that. It's just one number. So what is this number? So step two, take a big time number, yes, like this one, group the numbers in threes from right to left. Group the numbers in threes. So let's go. We count. From the rightmost number here is 0, 0, 4, 0, 0, 3, 2, right? Okay, and this action is very important. 0, 4, 0, 0, 3, 2. 040032. Okay, now you see that's the first number 1, 2, 3, and we group by using a special symbol, a comma. Voila. And then now if we go the other one, 032 is also a group of threes. Since there are no numbers, then we just have two groups of threes. Very good. And let's take another example. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, 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 no. This is just one number, block number like this. So let's group in threes from right to left. Remember, from right, 1, 2, 3, and we put a comma. 1, 2, 3, and we put a comma. And that was it. Three groups of three. Are we ready for next example? Let's go. And now we read, if you want to read this number, we'll read from left to right. 123, 456, 789. Okay, let's take another example. Grouping in threes. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, a comma. 1, 2, 3, another 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 comma, and then we are good. Woohoo! Now, if we look at it from left going right, now that we've grouped them in threes, it's 123, 456, 789, 12. Remember the 12 there is 0, 1, 2, you see, in threes. 12, 345, 67, you see, 067, 67. And the last group of threes, 894. You see why reading your numbers in threes very important. So have you mastered all numbers in threes? Can you read all 3-digit numbers? Then you're ready. Okay, so let's go. Let's read 123, 456, 789, 12, 345, 67, 894. Clap for yourself. Okay, let's rumble. Step 3. Add names or keywords to each comma or to each group of threes. Wow. So, commas have names. Wonderful. Let's see. The rightmost comma, that's the first one, is called 1,000. Whoa. The second comma is called million. Million. The third comma is called billion. And we mean third from the right. 1, 2, 3. And the fourth comma is called trillion. Trillion? Whoa, fourth from the right. The fifth comma is called quadrillion. Oh, let's say that again. Quadrillion. 3 syllables. Quadrillion. Woohoo. Let's go. The sixth comma is called quintillion. Quintillion. Let's take it slow for our kindergarteners or nursery schoolers. Quintillion. Wow. From right to left. Can we close our eyes and say those commas? Number 1, 1,000. Number 2, million. Number 3, billion. Number 4, trillion. Number 5, quadrillion. Number 6, quintillion. Woohoo! Good job. And now we can read. You see, all of our steps. Step 1, we learn how to read our numbers up to 3-digit numbers and write them up to 3-digit number, right? If it is 1, it's 001, it's 2002. If it's 18, it's 018. If it is 123, it's already 3-digit number. And step 2, we group a big time number in threes from right to left. We start from right to left. When we group from threes, we start from the right, please. From the right, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. And then the last stage, we add keywords. And then we read from left to right. Let's go. Woohoo. Whoa. Wow, whoa, 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 whoa. We're closing everything. Okay. How do we read this one? 4. 1-digit number, just 4. How do we read this one? 94. How do we read this one? 894. Very good. And now how do we read this one with the first comma? The first comma is called 1,000. So 7, and we have to read the name of the comma. 1,894. 7,894. Okay, let's go to the next. Whoa. Now, before that comma, what number do we see? 67. 67, the name of the comma, 1,000. 67,894. Okay, now where do we? Ooh, this is still 67,894. See, the 0 there doesn't really mean a thing. Woohoo! Now it's what? 2 commas. Whoa! Now we have million coming in. So what do we say? What do we see before that comma? 5. 5,067,894. Whoa! We got 45,067,894. Whoa! Now we have 3 numbers before the million. 345,067,894. Woo! We have 3 commas now. 2,345,067,894. 12,345,067,894. 12,345,067,894. And now we have four commas. 9,12,345,067,894. 89,12,345,067,894. 789,12,345,067,894. Whoa, five commas. 6,789,12,345,067,894. 56 quadrillion, 789 trillion, 12 billion, 345 million, 67,894. Excuse. Whoa, lots of numbers to read. 456 quadrillion, 789 trillion, 12 billion, 345 million, 67,894. Whoa, we have six commas. 3 quintillion, 456 quadrillion, 789 trillion, 12 billion, 345 million, 67,894. We have one more. Good. 23 quintillion, 456 quadrillion, 789 trillion, 12 billion, 345 million, 67,894. 123 quintillion, 456 quadrillion, 789 trillion, 12 billion, 345 million, 67,894. Whoa. Good, good. What numbers are these? Oh, it's just 3-digit. 959. We're just practicing. And this one is what? Oh, we put a comma. 1,000. There's nothing to read after that. 1,000. That's all. What about this one? 4-digit. Woohoo. Put a comma. 4,379. Ooh, what about the next one? Put a comma. 12,479. Whoa, 6-digit. Ooh, put a comma. 123,456 is the first comma. It's called 1,000. Whoa, now we put two commas. Whoa, the first comma from the right, 1,000. The second comma, million. 1,392,405. Whoa, put our comma. Put our comma. Oh, look at all these commas coming in different spots. Oh my God. This is not cool. This is not cool. Okay, let's take the first one. 93,672,876. Next, 437,803,675. Woohoo! What about this? Put our comma. The next, we put our comma. Next, we put our comma. 3 commas, and these are straight. Excellent. Now, our comma from right is 1,000, million, billion. We can close our eyes. 1,000, million, billion. Good. There we go. 2,834,954,093. Woohoo. Next one. Put our comma. Put our comma. And our last comma. Very good. So the commas. 1,000, million, billion. Let's go. 56 billion, 740 million, 57,630. Very good. Whoa, long numbers. Oh my God, big time numbers. Oh my God, we put our commas, we put our commas, we put our commas. And then what do we have here? We have 4 commas. Let's take it from right. 1,000, million, billion, trillion. 7,302,367,489,500. Woohoo! Next one. Let's go. 1 comma, 2 commas, 3 commas, 4 commas, 5 commas. Really? We got 5 commas. So let's take the names of our commas. Let's go. 1,000, million, billion, trillion, quadrillion. So let's go. 1 quadrillion, 234 trillion, 567 billion, 890 million, 123,456. Woohoo! Now we can read numbers. Can we write numbers? Let's see. Let's write big time numbers. Okay. Now let's look at this big time numbers. 7,060. 7,060. Woohoo! One keyword. 7. And we see a keyword 1,000. So that it must be written with a comma. Ooh, so we see 7, we write our 7. Then the keyword 1,000. And that's the first one, meaning that we have just 3 digits after that. And 60. And how do we write this 60? Just 60? It's not good. 3, 0, 6, and 0. Very good. And now we can remove those 2 leading zeros, right? We remove them, and then now it looks neat. 7,060. Wow. 7, we read that comma. 1,060, that's a keyword. Very good. Let's take the next example. Oh, big time number. 30,562,079. 30 million. Million is a keyword, it's a comma. 562,000 is another comma. Then after that, 79. Okay, let's see. We write out, we see the million. Okay, before the million, we see 30. Okay, we see another 1,000. Before the 1,000, we see 562. Okay, so let's go. We write a 30. Okay, very good. That's how we write 30. 3. Okay, and then million, we put what? A comma. And then the next one, 562. Write out 562. 1,000, that means a comma. And then at the end, 79. Remember 79, 079. Okay, in threes. So now we can do away with this leading 0. Okay, so we have it 30,562,079. Very good. Next one, 650 trillion 532,389,090. 650 trillion 532,389,090. Wow. Let's look at all the keywords. Wow, there's trillion, there's million. Okay. Oh, and there's 1,000. Okay, let's go. Okay. 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 Oh, it's just everywhere. Everything is just everywhere right now. We're going to work on our animation next time. Please, sorry for that. It's just everywhere right now. Oh my God, the animations are just everywhere.